Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. I am Dina pursuing MBA. This video is very special because in this video I am going to share my entire educational journey starting from my school. So back in school I was a very good student and I used to top in subjects which are very, I feel very easy to study. Like I used to study social studies a lot, science, English. These were my top subjects to study and get score good marks. So, uh, this video is very special because this video consists of my entire educational journey, and I have been a very studious girl since my childhood. Not from the beginning. I was a little, what we call as introvert. So I used to study very quietly, and by that time, in school, I became the school topper, and then things happen. I took BPC, which is biology, zoology, chemistry, and physics. So these were the four subjects we had in intermediate, and in intermediate my entire focus was to study the subjects and get curious about the subject itself and not to bother about any entrance exam. So yeah, that was the very shocking moment when a school topper decides not to compete in a competitive exam. But still I pursued my intermediate, and with good marks. Then I pursued my BSc Nutrition. Nutrition was a subject which I chose just after the lockdown happened. And, till that time, I was not satisfied with the degree I'm pursuing. I was still lost, still confused. I used to watch YouTube videos a lot and try to learn different kind of skills. The things which I'm, got interested was far beyond my subjects which I was learning in degree. So that happened, and I realized that I no longer, associate with the subjects of my degree, but still I had interest in chemistry. After that, after my degree completed, I was now very sure that I was not going to complete my MSc Nutrition. Instead, I would do something called as MBA happened to me like a game changer, and I feel that, each and every one of us should at least know what is MBA, specifically what is business. And business is the thing which helps you to, get a livelihood in this entire planet. And if you're doing a job, you're still selling your skills. So, in that way, I feel one should know the subjects from a very young age. I remember that in our back in school, we used to we have been taught subjects like maths, physics, chemistry. Not chemistry properly, it was combined subject, physics and chemistry in science. So we used to get all of these subjects, but the subject which we didn't got to study was this subject which is taught in Rich Dad Poor Dad, which says accounting. This subject we were not taught, and after we completed the 10th class, it was there in 11th and 12th, which is intermediate. So by that time, many students who got to study science or some other subjects, we were not able to study this subject called as accounting. So, moreover, MBA got me to learn various subjects like management behavior, uh, IT, statistics, marketing management, managerial economics, and as well as accounting. So these were the three subjects which have been taught in MBA. So as I told you that I was not competitive when I should have been competitive, in terms of good ranking and good percentage in my competitive exam. Now after my degree, I got a chance to prove myself that yes, I am competitive, yes, I am worthy of a competition and worthy to get a good rank. So that level of competitiveness in me risen, and I choose the very famous exam, competitive exam in Telangana, which is TSI set. and purchased a good book to study the previous year papers, and watched all the lectures on YouTube for free, and studied really well, practiced all the questions in separate rough book, practiced for 2 to 3 months. Everyone says that it's a very easy exam and you would have been cracked without studying, but exam is exam. And I feel that when you are competitive, you get to see the results quicker and good. So I appeared for the exam, and my entire life changed. I got 3515 rank, to be precise, in TS ISET 2025. And that moment changed everything. That moment made me feel like, yes, I am a winner, I am competitive. That thing changed me, made me believe that I can pursue MBA, studying a completely new subject to me. So I went to a very good college in Hyderabad. So in that way, my educational qualification also increased into PG. After entering the PG, I found a very vibrant environment. Everyone in my class, some are doing jobs, some are doing just studying, and they all are very interactive. So I get to learn a lot of things from them. In 2026, if you are new student and looking to join MBA, and you're also from my like kind of my background or not, that so join MBA. It will be very good experience for you, and you will learn a lot of things, and it will open a wide variety of doors to you, like from entrepreneurship, from everything. The doors will be open for you. So go for it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.